How to delete Google account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open any of the Google application on your device. I will open Google itself. Now, make sure that you are signed in to the Google account that you want to delete, and now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for manage your Google account. So tap on the manage your Google account option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the data and privacy option you see there. Further, scroll down to the bottom of this interface and you will see the option for delete your Google account. So tap on the delete your Google account option you see there, and you will then be required to enter the passcode for your Google account. So go ahead and enter the passcode for your Google account, and once entered, simply tap on the next option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete again by simply agreeing to the terms and conditions you see there, and finally tap on the delete account option, and with this your account will be deleted successfully. So this was about how you can delete your Google account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.